Welcome back. Joining us virtually today for our Forever Home Friday is Lynn with the Lafayette Animal Shelter and Care Center. Lynn, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Hi, thank you for having me.
So we don't have one specific dog to show off today because something really exciting is happening at the shelter. How much are all those puppies in the window?
So the doggies and the kitties in the windows are free. They need a home. Please come adopt. We have the greatest selection we've had in a long time. The shelter is at capacity. These dogs need to find a home. And if you're not able to adopt, maybe you could be willing to foster a pet.
Yeah.
If you can't take another pet home, maybe you would like to join and become a volunteer and make a difference at the shelter.
Yeah, if people at home want to learn more about fostering or volunteering, what's that process like to get that started?
It's so easy. You go to our website and you just follow the prompts. Get involved, volunteering, adoption, fostering, fill out a form, and we'll be contacting you.
Absolutely. Now, you mentioned the shelter is at capacity. What's it been like for you guys over the past few weeks at the shelter? What are you guys seeing firsthand?
Sure. So it's a nationwide thing. All shelters are at a full capacity. And this is the reason why Vermilion Animal Aid, St. Martin Parish Shelter, and the Lafayette Animal Shelter are joining forces to waive fees to get animals into homes so that we can save 2 lives. We're saving the life of the animal that's going home, and we're also saving the life of the animal that may need the kennel space that we have or don't have at this time.
Yeah, and you guys have a bunch of dogs and cats. What are your hours people can stop by and find their furry friend?
Correct. So we're open today until 4:30. All animals have been spayed or neutered, microchipped, vaccinated, and many are ready to go home today. Tomorrow, we've extended our hours from 10 to 2.
Wow.
To increase chances of getting these animals adopted. As of now, we've adopted out 12 felines and 2 or 3 dogs.
Oh, nice.
We really need to move those doggies, guys. Now's the time to adopt.
Yeah, let's try our best to clear the shelters this week. You have until 4:30 today and 10 to 2 tomorrow, right, to go out and adopt?
That is correct. We're located at 410 North Dugas Road here in Lafayette between University and Mills Road. Please come make a difference. We're saving lives 4 legs at a time.
Lynn, thank you so much for joining us to share this with our viewers today.
Thank you, Taylor.
Of course.